Hello everyone and my day traders. Welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing fine and I hope you all are staying home. Without wasting time, let's talk about today's video where I am going to talk about my trading setup for tomorrow and market situations. So we'll start with my trading setup. As you all see, I have already given you three levels. These levels which I have given you yesterday. The levels is at the resistance of all the three levels is at 15773 and support is at 15689. And if you all see, the market has closed in between both the levels. It's somewhere nearby resistance and somewhere nearby support. So if you calculate the numbers, it's 40 to 45 points nearby the resistance and it's 50 to 55 points nearby the support. I thought the market is going to decide where it has to go today, but it did not decide. Why? There are many reasons why it was not able to decide, because all the banking sectors were down and only the IT sectors and Reliance, they all were performing today. That's why Nifty made a good rally today. But when we talk about tomorrow's video or when we talk about tomorrow's setup, it's really simple. I don't even have to give you the three scenarios that market opening gap up, market opening gap down, or market being flats. It's so simple that if market opens any which ways, or if market opens flat and breaks the level of 15773, or you can round off say 15775, if it breaks that level, then market is going to go above, I think as per me, 15900 or more than 5950, but not just in one day. It will take a day or two. in at the same time, when if market breaks the level of 15689, there might be a possibility of market slipping down to 15500 to 15650. But again, it's not sure because market was so volatile today. If you see, market has crashed, not even crashed, market fell down all over somewhere around, today market opened at 15778 and it went down till 15690, so which is almost 80 points. But then again market recovered a bit, which is almost, I think, 40 points it recovered, but then again it fell down. Again it recovered 40 points, again it fell, and it happened three times. Market has made three highs continuously. So there were many traders who must have lost their money. And if you all have watched my yesterday's video, then I have told you, if market be in between the level of 15773 or 15689, then we are not supposed to trade, because we were supposed to keep the stop loss at 15773 and stay in call option if market was above 15773. And in the case of put option, we were supposed to keep the stop loss at 15689 and be in put option if market be below the level of 15689. But nothing happened. I gave you a resistance and a support. Market was neck to neck by it, and at last trading hours, market ended up in between both the levels. So we can't really predict how market is going to be tomorrow. But again, I'm telling you, to all the new traders and people out there, if market be in between the level of 15773 or 15689, then we are not supposed to trade. We can miss 40 to 50 points, 40 points in call option and 50 points in put option, because that is risky for all the traders who are new in this market. But if you see market breaking the level of 15773 or 15689, then you can be in either call or put option. But till that time, do not enter in any of the options, let it be call or put. So these are my scenarios for tomorrow, which is really simple. It's just that you have to wait for Nifty to break resistance or support. You just have to wait for Nifty to break either levels, let it be resistance or support. So that's all for today. We'll start with market situation. If you all see today's market, Bank Nifty closed somewhere around 350 points down, but Nifty closed somewhere around 10 to 15 points lower. Why? Why Nifty closed 10 to 15 points lower? Because of Reliance and IT stocks. Because when you talk about banking index were in red whole day, and banking index fell today. So that's why the bank Nifty was lower in compared to Nifty. And as I told you, Reliance and IT stocks are the reasons why Nifty made a good rally today. But it's just a good advice to all the people who all are trading. If you all are trading in this week, avoid weekly expiry. Go for monthly expiry, because as you all see, Nifty is really at a particular zone which is really dangerous, because Nifty itself is not able to decide where it has to go. So avoid weekly expiry, go for monthly expiry. But before going for monthly expiry, just see the sentiments. Just see the sentiment of the market, how market is going to be. Then only enter in any of the call option or put option. When you talk about US futures, they were in positive. When you talk about European futures, they were also in positive. And then when we talk about SGX Nifty, it is also in positive. So if you see, there are some negative news, there are some positive news. It's up to us how we are going to react. But before taking any trade, we have to be sure about the trade. That yes, we are going to buy call option. Why we are going to buy the call option? We have to have a reason. If we don't have a reason, we are not going to enter in any trade. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and follow my Instagram handle. Till then, stay safe and trade safe. Take care.